Hello and welcome back to Flo's Homemade.
I love granola so much that I want everybody to try it, and that's why I'm giving you this recipe that does not require an oven. All you need is a pan and some heat over a stove. Now let's get started. We're going to go medium heat. Because we're using a pan, we're going to make a slightly smaller batch. This is just 2 cups of oats, your favorite kind of oats, and we're going to go in with some coconut oil. We want that coconut oil to melt and then start to toast the oats. After about 2 minutes of toasting in the coconut oil, it's time to add your sweetener of choice. I'm using maple syrup. Again, toast, toast, toast. Keep it stirring. You don't want it to burn. So you're essentially trying to toast it as quickly as possible, and the small batch allows every part of the oat to get equal time on the heat. I'm going in with the toppings. This is desiccated coconut, and this is the unsweetened kind because we already have sweetener. Again, keep it moving. After another minute, it's time to add the final topping, and the final ingredient I'm adding is some chopped dates. You can use raisins if you like. It's really whatever is available to you. You can see that our granola is ready because the coconut is browning and everything has come together. Turn off the heat, give it another stir. If you want spices, it's time to just grate in some nutmeg at the very end all over it. You can use cinnamon as well, but since we're going tropical flavors here, we're using nutmeg. So that coconut with the dates, the nutmeg, the coconut oil and the desiccated coconut, it all has come together. The heat is off now. All we need to do is wait for it to cool, and we're ready to enjoy granola. There you have it. Do try it, let me know how it goes, and share with your friends, please. Don't hug it.